mountains, looks majestic. Hello, hello. Today we are going for the NACT mission. There was this 1995 project, and one of the pyramids is simply covered with a net. I didn't take that net out for a pretty long time. I think it's already a couple of months there. Some portion is covered with the sand, and I think it's the time to get it out. Especially yesterday I got a message from Tony. Tony said, "Martin, if you need help, I would like to help you." Anna said that she would like to have a day off from diving, so I think it's a good opportunity and a good time to do it. So we will go down there and we'll get it out. That will sound funny, but we didn't find the net. We just found one small piece, which I know already from previous. That all the information about the net came from Laura. Ways that pyramid I didn't really get, and I thought it's in a different place. So we'll need to go back again, but yeah, we found this guitar shark, if I'm right. I will check in the book. It was super pity to find it dead. I don't know what is the reason of that. We didn't take it out, we just left it there. Fishes will eat it, but yeah, pity. We don't have them. It's I don't know, it's the second time when I see any. It's like a kind of ray, or it's like a ray, or this shark ray or guitar shark. I don't know. So, and it's the second time when I see it, and it's that. Terrible. All right, now I have another plan. We'll go to Lahangan Suite. I have to organize everything for tomorrow. Tomorrow will arrive our friends from the south, and we have a plan to go to Lahangan Suite with the overnight. It's been a plan for a while, and finally we will make it happen. For tomorrow we have a plan. Instead of diving, we would like to also hike up all the way to Lahangan Suite, camp on the top. So then we can see sunset and sunrise as well. Make a fireplace. I don't know when it was the last time when I did any fire place. I don't know, it was like probably in the Philippines when we went to the mountains, but there was also always this gas stoves and that stuff and no fire. Anyways, so I just got in a contact with a local guy who's always organizing all this stuff, because we don't have any tents. My tent is still in the Philippines, I didn't bring it here. So that's the plan. Looks like I just found another drivable trail, and I think that's the best view to all these clouds. I think it's the closest place to fly a drone. Just look at the clouds. That's all of them coming over the mountain ridge. We'll drive further. We'll try to find out how far I can drive. So yeah, we cannot drive too far, but that's it goes to the beginning of a smaller trail, and I'll just check out how high I can get on this summit, or bukit, what they call it in local language. Yeah, looks like a trail goes up there. I will just check. I will not go there. Maybe I will leave it for another time. Today's mission was just to get a contact from the Lahangan people. That's what I got. The motorbike is down there, and that's this one is a view from there. The last time I was sitting there, looks like this one is there's a temple on the top. That's the thing. So that means that this trail is going up to the temple. That's how it looks like. Alright, that's it for today. Follow, subscribe, smash the thumbs up button, and see you tomorrow again.